What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. We have fourth stimulus check update. Today is Tuesday, March 30th. Let's get right to the very first article. Yahoo Finance, you know it's legitimate. Fourth stimulus check looking more likely in Congress. If we go right here in the article, basically you can see a movement inside the halls of Congress could actually result in more government stimulus check for Americans. NewsGeek reports a group of over 60 legislators are asking the Biden administration to add a budget for continued reoccurring monthly stimulus checks, just like I reported over 10 days ago. We'll get more in this article later. Then we have a second article right here. Fourth stimulus check update. Could it happen in April? Just like I said in my last video, I said all of these things in my last video, but you see more and more articles, more and more trusted news sources are coming out and saying it. I was the first person to leak it. As the third round of stimulus checks is sent out as President Biden's Rona relief bill, talks has turned to whether there will be a fourth stimulus direct payment. You heard it here first, guys. There hasn't been one other person on YouTube that covered this news before me. I covered it over 10 days ago. Basically, as we go right here, progressive lawmakers call for more stimulus checks, but not only that, they're also asking for continuous monthly stimulus checks of $1,200 to $1,400. As we see right here, progressive lawmakers call for more stimulus checks. They're calling for additional fourth stimulus check and for reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. As we scroll down, we also see right here, could a fourth stimulus check be approved in April? We're on another stimulus check be one time or reoccurring. All these things, guys, I've actually said earlier if you actually watch my videos from yesterday or the day before. And basically, just to quickly summarize, these articles are saying all the same things I said over a week ago. We're on another stimulus check. It might be a one-time or a reoccurring to make it to President Biden's Build Back Better package. Americans shouldn't expect anything yet, guys, but it might actually happen in 1 month. That's what all my sources are telling me. Allegedly, right now, it's 50-50 split, right? We have 50 Republicans, 50 Democrats. You have the House and the Senate, but we have 64 total, lawmakers, both Republicans and Democrats, both in the Senate and the House, and a minimum of 60 votes are usually required for the Senate to move on for debating. So what does this mean? There's actually more than enough, right? You need 60 at least. We have 64 right now, and those numbers might even go up. As we go right here, you can see the Twitter of the U.S. Labor Department basically saying people are actually getting more jobs, which is good. That's what I like to see. So let's get back to the first article. As you can see right here, Yahoo Finance. We might actually hear more news hopefully coming in the next month, guys, in the next, week or two. I heard personally from my sources, I've been told, either end of the first week or beginning of second week of April is when we can hear some more concrete news. But as of right now, you guys know I keep it 100% honest. Don't listen to any other YouTubers. I've seen other YouTubers claiming 100% concrete. This is gonna happen. It's Jimmy. You're lying, man. You're straight up lying. All of his thumbnails and titles are 100% clickbait. They're fake. Go watch his videos. He'll say something one day and the next day he'll just come out and just say, nah, just kidding, guys. Haha. What is funny about misleading your supporters, guys, your subscribers, and straight up manipulating your subscribers, telling them what they want to hear just for likes and subscribes, guys, for positive comments? I don't do that. Not only am I the #1 source on YouTube when it comes to stimulus check news, but I also keep it 100% honest with my subscribers. I care about you guys. That's why every single day I post 1 to 2 videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards, over $21,000 out of my own pocket. Over 1,110 people up to this day, guys, have received free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do every single day, all I ask is hit that like, hit that subscribe, and just comment. Any comment will enter you. When this video hits 500 likes, and my next video, it might be today, it might be tomorrow, I'll be picking a winner from the comments. So make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment, an emoji, comment whatever you want, and please share this on social media. Please support me, guys. Not only am I the first person to actually keep you guys up to date with the latest stimulus check news, I don't lie to you guys. I don't, manipulate you guys. I don't say the same exact BS and straight up lie to you in every single video, guys. I keep it 100% honest. I show my sources. How many YouTubers can say they show their sources? Please hit that like, please hit subscribe, please comment. If you're not a member, please hit this white join button. It literally costs less than $1. It only costs 99 cents. All the money goes to charity. Not only does every single penny go to someone else in need, it all goes to charity. All the donations, all the money I make off these videos, guys. But not only that, but for only 99 cents, you get a diamond next to your name. You get members only custom emojis. You get members only community tab, exclusive content, pictures, live streams, giveaway. Every single video, if you see people talking in chat, those are members. It costs less than $1. Not only that, I have exclusive pictures, polls, live stream, giveaways. I do huge giveaways for my members, right? I have shirts if you want to check out my clothing, which reminds me, I made my own clothing brand and clothing stores, guys. So if you do want to support me, all the money does go to charity. All the money does go to someone else in need. 100% cotton shirts, guys. Not only are they 100% cotton, the quality of the designs are absolutely amazing. Ask anyone in the comments. I've had a bunch of people purchase these shirts. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are family to me. Literally every single person. If you take the time to hit that like button, take 10 seconds to leave a comment, just know I read every single comment. If I like and heart your comment, I read it, guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for every single person who hits that like button, every single person who hits join. I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. if you actually bought a shirt, if you bought a piece of clothing, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. That's it for today. Peace.